Ever noticed this 17-character code on label placed at the driver's side B pillar of your car? What does this number identify? Welcome back to today's edition of Factful Fridays, where we decode your car's vehicle identification number. This number is your car's vehicle identification number, or VIN. It's a unique code that identifies your vehicle, just like a fingerprint. Now, let's decode what it means. The first 3 characters reveal the World Manufacturer Identifier. It designates the manufacturer of the vehicle and is assigned to a vehicle manufacturer in order to allow identification of that manufacturer. Now that we know who built the car, let's see what the VIN tells us next. 4th to 9th characters of VIN defines Vehicle Descriptor section, which includes the vehicle type, model, engine type, and body type. With the Vehicle Descriptor section decoded, let's move forward. The 10th and 11th character of the VIN provide even more details, revealing the manufacturing year and plant where the vehicle was built. You can see the chart on your screen that maps each alphabet to its corresponding year. After we have decoded 10th and 11th characters, let's move to the final part of the VIN. The last 6 digits form the vehicle's unique serial number. Apart from the B pillar, you can find your car's VIN on the RC, in your insurance documents, and under your car's bonnet. We hope this helps you know your car a little better. If you have any specific topic you want covered next, let us know by commenting below. See you next week on Factful Fridays. Until then, remember, Maruti Suzuki Service is always by your side.